Hi guys, N7ECV, QRP Life here. I've seen a lot of posts on Facebook and other places about people having problems on FT8. So I'm just going to post this little quickie here. So first off, it all depends on which software you're running. But I'm using the Whiskey Sierra Juliet Tango -X. But you're going to want to make sure that you've got some clear spot to transmit, and then you're actually set to transmit there. Now, that being said, each one of these is a signal, of course. Some of these are way too hot. That's power, that's not proximity. But with guys that are having problems, how come I can't make contacts? How come I can't make contacts? You're either A, out of the band here for what we're doing, or because of this mess here. Some of this is fairly clean, but then it just starts one station on top of another station, on top of another station, on top of another station. I understand QSB. I understand the fact that he might not even hear this guy. That's too much power there. Way too much power for a digital mode. These little hash marks here, guys, definitely make it easy to establish your position for this mode. And if you are established off a hash mark, then the next station can establish himself, and everything can really be orientated quite well. But as you can see, some of these guys, I would imagine they haven't even adjusted their transmit or receive frequency much, or even know how. Maybe, I don't know. So you want to bring up your graph view, and you want to find an open space. And you want to right click. Oh, look, somebody just started transmitting right there. Only takes 30 seconds to hear both sides of these transmissions, so it's not that hard to find a clear space. It doesn't take long. But move somewhere where you might see clear. And that'll afford you a chance of more contacts. I mean, this is the reason why nobody's hearing each other. There's probably 5 or 6 stations here. And they'll keep working and working, but they're just on top of each other. Down here it's a little bit cleaner. Like these guys are calling CQ every 15 seconds with no answer. But we can tell that because they're spaced properly, they're aligned. Using QRP power for this digital mode. Anyway, just a quick, this is why there's not too much for like actual contacts going on. N7ECV.